Want to update your ex, formerly Twitter, profile photo but not sure where to start? In this beginner friendly guide, I will show you the fastest way to change your profile picture in just a few simple steps. Stay with me and let's get your profile looking fresh today. First of all, unlock your phone, then open the X Twitter app. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner. Here you can find your current profile icon. Tap on them. After that, go to the profile option and wait to open the profile page. Once the profile page is open, look for the edit profile button. Simply tap on it. After that, here you can find your current profile picture or button there. Simply tap on it. After that, here you can basically see two options. Take photo, this means you can taking photo and set it, or choose existing photo, this means you can set your own already saved gallery photo. So I am select the second option, choose existing photo. Then open my gallery, scroll down, find the exact photo if you want to set it. For example, I am choose this photo. Then hit the done button. Now simply adjust the size or photo position if you like. For example, I am setting. Once everything looks okay, simply confirm by tapping the apply button at the top right corner. Then finally hit the save button at the top right corner again and wait to complete the process. And that's it, how you can easily update your ex Twitter profile photo in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching.